So there's this book, this baking Christmas book, the Canadian Living Christmas book. This is a long-time tradition in my family. Ooh. Since 1993 to be exact, the year of my birth. And this book has given us a tradition that we do every Christmas. We've always made gingerbread houses. Every Christmas Eve, all of us makes a gingerbread house, a personal sized gingerbread house, and we bake it and we decorate it and we have a little decorating competition. And then we all decided that we didn't actually like eating the gingerbread, so my mom started making sugar cookie houses. But they're all recipes from this book. And last year for Christmas, my mom gave myself and each of my sisters a book of our own, which was really cute, so that we could make the recipes ourselves. And we went back to Vancouver a few weeks ago. I brought back the KitchenAid, literally carried it on the airplane as my carry-on companion. And I thought that I would do this for my mama bear. Mama, this one's for you. I am going to attempt to make her sugar cookie / gingerbread houses and try and decorate them for Dan and I, because if I'm gonna carry the tradition on, I gotta learn how to do it. So we're gonna attempt here. I'm not good at baking. Baking is not my forte, so this is gonna be a strong attempt. And here is the recipe. Here, sugar and spice cookies. And this is the template that's used for the actual shape of the houses. I pre-drew them out onto parchment paper. I don't know if that's how she actually does it, but we're gonna try. I bought a rolling pin, and yeah, let's do this thing. All right, first we need to start with butter, ½ cup. I melted the butter, and I don't think that's what you're supposed to do, so hopefully it's not affected too badly. But it says, in a bowl, beat together butter and sugar. All right. Oh dear. I'm just gonna eyeball that a little bit. Also, do you like my apron? Dear Santa, I can explain. Okay, 1 cup of butter. Oh, sorry, ½ cup of butter. That was ½ cup of butter. 1 cup of brown sugar. Perfect. I'm gonna use a ¼ cup. It's easier to scoop into here. That's a not exact measurement. This is called Lan's Experimental Kitchen. Ooh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Okay, it says to beat this, but I don't have beaters, so I'm gonna try to whisk it instead. With my tiny whisk. Binging with Babish, this one's for you. Well, that doesn't work so well. It all goes into the whisk. How does one get it out of the whisk? Oh dear! Oh no. I've made a grave error. Where's my fork? Okay. Oh, that's easy. Butter and sugar. The best part. The bacon. Oh. Okay, so we're just gonna fork this. I'm surprised it's brown sugar and not white sugar for sugar cookies. Okay, then we need an egg. 1 egg and ½ a teaspoon of vanilla. You guys remember in Sleeping Beauty where she's like, a tisp? A tisp? What's a tisp? That's a tisp, ma'am. Oh, it smells so good. All right, we'll whisk that in. And this is the point where I stop eating the butter and sugar mixture. Does this count as my arm workout for the day? So I think that's it for the wet mixture. So then in this bowl, I'm gonna put all the other dry ingredients. So flour, 1 3/4 of flour. 1 3/4. Okay, flour, baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Well, out of all of those, I only have nutmeg, I think. They didn't have cloves at the grocery store, which was very odd. Nutmeg, I'm just gonna eyeball that one. Do I have cinnamon? I thought I did. I have cinnamon sticks. Well, just nutmeg it is. That's fine, right? So then I'm gonna put this into this. And then we're gonna pour this into the bowl. How do you, How do I do that? I should have done this before, shouldn't I? We're gonna pour the wet into the dry. All right, let's see how this bad boy works. I'm gonna put it down. Ooh. Okay, okay. Look at it! Look at it stir! It works! Okay, so hopefully this is good now. Okay, so now we need to refrigerate the dough ball. So I'm gonna take some saran wrap and we're gonna take this sweet succulent mixture and I'm gonna try and expedite this a little bit. I don't have an hour. I'm gonna put this in the freezer and hopefully that will work too. So while that's freezing, let's make the icing. It says to sift. I don't have a sifter, I only have this, so hopefully that'll be okay. I also don't know what cream of tartar is. I don't know what the purpose of that is. All right, 4 cups of icing sugar and my future cavities, woo! Okay, I'm just gonna pop that on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's a lot. And then half a tablespoon of cream of tartar. What is cream of tartar? It has a weird scent. I don't know. Okay. Half a teaspoon into there. There you go. That's gonna take so long. Oh my god. This will literally take 5 years. I don't have time for that. We're just gonna dump it in. Oh, look, all done. Then it says to beat in egg whites. I have this. 1 large egg, use 3 tablespoons. Okay. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see if we can just whisk this with a fork. Perhaps if I'm gonna be a baker now, I should invest in a beater. I'm just gonna try the folding method here. What the heck? Looks good to me. All right, guys, I'm gonna scoop the icing into baggies so that we may style them later, which may take me a bit. And I'm gonna give the dough a few more minutes and then we'll come back to roll. All right, guys, so the dough is out of the freezer. It feels hard. It feels hard. We're gonna try. We're gonna try to roll out the dough. So I must flour the surface. Ooh. Here's the rolling pin. Flour that. I feel like that's something bakers do too. Maybe not. Oh, I have a crumbly dough. Oh no. Maybe we can smooth it together.
Hi!
Mom, I need your help. I'm trying to make your sugar cookie houses and I'm failing.
Uh-oh.
What happens when my dough is crumbly?
Okay. Did you let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge first, or did you just go right into rolling it?
I put it in the freezer for approximately 20 minutes.
Okay, that's not long enough. I would add a little something oily, like maybe a little oil or maybe a little butter, soft butter.
Mm-hmm.
Has to be room temperature butter, not melted.
I did melt my butter.
Oh, you can't have melted butter. That's what the problem is. So.
So I've attempted. We've made one. I'm gonna try this. I needed my mom to coach me through that whole thing. So Mom, if you're watching, thank you. This is what we ended up with. What we've learned today is that you can't cheat in baking. No melted butter is allowed, nor is expedited freezing. So we're gonna put this in the oven, bake it for approximately 10 minutes, and see what we get. Baking is not my forte, okay? Mother, I'm sorry. But I pulled out this tray. This is the only kind of decorative tray I have. And we're gonna try to build our homes now. So the whole point is that you have the big bottom and you put the house together like so. All right, and then the roof connects. We're gonna take our royal icing and start decorating. Ooh! Okay. This is my sugar cookie house. I'm so happy that it worked. It's so cute. It's so cute, bitty bitty. Oh. And I'm so glad that we made it there in the end. I was getting really stressed there for a minute. I thought that this wasn't gonna work. But honestly, with some better decorative candy, this could have been an A++ little sugar cookie house. So, Mother, thank you for making this a tradition that we do every year, and thank you for giving me the book so that I may continue on our tradition of sugar cookie / gingerbread house making. Let me know what you guys think. Rate me, rate my sugar cookie house. How do you think I did? Tell us. Mom, if you're watching, tell us how you think I did. Let me know in the comments down below, you guys, what some of your family traditions are over the holiday season. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and seeing a little sneak peek into mine. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's LANMAS video. Bye!